Hello everybody, this is Sangeeta and welcome to my channel Side Gem the Art Zone. I hope you all saw the introduction video of object drawing and still life drawing. For those who have missed the video, I have provided the link in the I button and the description box below. Today we will see how to practice drawing some objects. We will see how to make a basic structure of an object. When we say objects, there are two types of objects. One is natural objects like fruits, vegetables, etc. and other is man-made objects. Today we will see some man-made objects that are used in our day-to-day life. So come on, let's get started. Start by drawing a line in the center. You may mark lines at equal distance from the line to get a perfect symmetrical object. You may go through my tutorials on symmetrical drawing where I have explained in detail for better understanding. I have provided the links in the description box below. Initially, you can practice by making such boxes, or rather we can say the construction lines of the required size of the object. Then at the later stage, you can mark the points at equal distance and draw without the help of any construction lines. Now we will make a mirror image on the other side. I have shown how to make construction lines in my videos on symmetrical and asymmetrical drawing. I suggest you to watch them to draw such objects flawlessly. Whenever we make a cylindrical object, we need to take care that the bottom of the object should be drawn a bit curved and not straight. Next we will draw a cup and will imagine that it is placed straight in front of our eyes. Now this is again going to be a cup or a mug that is slightly moved towards us while we see it straight. Now we will rub this part to show the handle of the mug look projected and tilted. You can see the difference between the positioning of the two cups now. Next we will draw a glass that is transparent and has some liquid in it. Of course right now we will just try to understand the concept and not try to make it realistic. Now this is another object based on symmetrical drawing. Now let's see how to convert a circle into a pot. We will draw this without drawing any line of symmetry. This will come with practice. Again we will draw a pot that is slightly tilted. Make a circle in the same way and make the mouth of the pot on the preferred side that you want to show the pot is facing to. Now the same rule goes with any natural object too. We will see how to show a mango at two different angles. Once the base work is done, we can rub all the construction lines and make the final sketch. This is how it will look after finishing. We will talk on the important points that will make an object look realistic in our next video. So stay tuned. Please do comment your views on this video and like the video if you found it useful. Those who are new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the notifications of my new videos. Until we meet again in the next video, keep practicing, take care and bye-bye.